Hi and welcome back. In this video I'm gonna be showing you how to replace washer nozzle on 2008 Dodge Charger. This is gonna be the same if you're working on Dodge Chargers from 2006 and all the way up to 2010. This is also gonna apply to a lot of vehicle makes and models, because most of the vehicle they have those washer nozzles located on the hood. To start off, first I'm gonna remove this cloth cover to gain easier access from inside of the washer nozzles. I already removed a few trim screws, but you don't have to remove them all. Remove just the ones that can give you a good access. So for example, I have one washer nozzle right here, so I pretty much removed kind of that one, this one, and so I removed 3 on that side. You can also remove 1, 2, 3 on that side, and that should be enough space so you can work on those washer nozzles. This vehicle has those kind of trim screws, so pretty much you just wanna use pliers and just pull them out. Now I already took my old and broken nozzle out, so I'm gonna show you on the new one how you can take it out. So that nozzle is gonna be here like that, and you wanna pinch on these 2 tabs. So pinch on these 2 tabs, and that's gonna come out from other side, so you can pull it out from the top of the hood. Also, actually in my case, that nozzle was broken inside that little pipe, so I had to dig it out. So the best way maybe is to remove completely that little hose, go inside and completely clean it up, remove it from all the plastic and debris. Now when you have the old washer nozzle out, the new one you're gonna install from top of the hood. So pretty much you're gonna push it inside until it clicks. But before I do that, I'm gonna apply some silicone lubricant on this so it goes easier into the hose. You never know when you're gonna have to replace that nozzle again, so I'm gonna just apply a little silicone lubricant right on this area so I can feed it nicer and better in this hose, and maybe next time when I'm replacing it I won't have to break it. Okay, I applied a little bit of silicone, and like I said, now just wanna align it here and just push it inside until it clicks, just like that. And now we're gonna do the other side as well. So that's the other side. I'm gonna clean this up a little bit. There we go. And pop it inside, align it nicely, and just press it in until it clicks. There we go. Now the last part of the job is just we need to connect those nozzles inside of that hose. I'm gonna start from the left hand side, and I'm gonna first attach that part of the hose which is on the left side to that hose, that black one, that one where I disconnected. I'm gonna connect these 2 hoses together. Just wanna gently push it in. You can also twist it a little bit, just like that. Until it's completely inside. There we go. Now this one is inside, and now I'm gonna connect it to washer nozzle. when you're connecting it to your nozzle, just be careful. You don't want to break it because that plastic is very fragile. And now I'm gonna do the same on this side as well. So you just want to connect that nozzle into that little hose. Where you can see this is my connection here. Okay, you need to connect it to that point. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you like that video. Bye.